Hello, my dear friends, colleagues, and my respected teachers and elders. My name is Dr. Omar Khan, and I practice medicine in Pennsylvania in the US. Do you want to attain full income potential or gain financial freedom? If yes, then I'm excited to have you listening, and do listen carefully, as what I am going to share with you will have far-reaching effects in improving your practice and your earning capacity, basically through My Life Doctors, our telemedicine and appointments platform. What is telemedicine? In telemedicine, the healthcare provider connects with the patient remotely. Communication is carried out through video conferencing using a smartphone, a tablet, or a computer. The doctor and the patient may be hundreds of miles apart. However, care and treatment of many medical issues can be provided appropriately. This has great potential to solve a host of problems facing mankind today. Healthcare today poses numerous challenges where we are dealing with diseases of the developed as well as of the underdeveloped world simultaneously. And although general prosperity and advancement in health sciences has led to longer lives, however, it poses its own unique challenges. Now, costs of doing business are rising and costs of living are on the increase. Healthcare providers need to generate more income, and I have an opportunity for you and all of us to solve these issues and provide better health services while at the same time helping ourselves out earn much more and also more efficiently. Basically a win-win situation for all. With more money in the pocket of the healthcare provider while providing patient care and access. Now, distance and accessibility to health services are major issues. Patients may wait weeks or even months before proper care is delivered. People with non-urgent issues such as migraines, bronchitis, urinary tract infections, diarrhea, and colds, they seldom get the care that they truly need. Chronic diseases such as high blood pressure, diabetes have become difficult to manage for large chunks of the population. Poor control has led to more morbidity in early life that prevents the person from living a productive or a joyful life. However, at the same time, that person may still end up living a longer lifespan, which basically suggests that a longer life does not translate into a better life. Now, regardless of your practice setting, we at My Life Doctors, which is a telemedicine platform, can help you profit financially. Now, you may have heard that telemedicine is the way forward for healthcare providers of all types. A provider can provide care efficiently utilizing a mobile, a tablet, or a computer, but this has to be done right. And patient acceptance is not an issue, as a recent study in the US demonstrates that 90% of patients fully approve of telemedicine. Now, for the less educated population, the uniqueness, the attractiveness, and the benefits of accessibility will quickly draw vast numbers towards telemedicine. And honestly, who doesn't know how to use a smartphone these days or use apps such as Facebook or WhatsApp? So regardless of this, if a person has a health concern and knows how accessible we are, then they will use My Life Doctors. Now let's look at a few scenarios on how My Life Doctors will help you earn more and enjoy more. If you are just starting your practice, My Life Doctors can help you set up an online practice or send patients to your clinic, basically getting you ahead of the race. If, for example, your circumstances are such that you have to stay at home and are unable to utilize your education and talents, My Life Doctors, you can practice all day long at the convenience of your home. If you already have a practice and want to make extra money on the side or on the weekends, My Life Doctors can have this set up for you as well. You can also provide your regular patients with the convenience of seeing you on My Life Doctors and, of course, getting paid for it. In addition to all of this, with My Life Doctors, you can also see international patients who will pay more than any local can. Now, if you are bombarded with unpaid random phone calls from your regular patients, My Life Doctors provides a solution for that as well. and such calls can bring you revenue. If you have multiple practice locations and need to manage it all smartly, then My Life Doctors has the solutions that you need. And vacationing and traveling, you can maintain your practice through My Life Doctors or make additional income seeing online patients who we will be bringing to you. If you are a government official and need to improve healthcare access for your community or your city or country, My Life Doctors has the services that will be valuable for you in providing and improving the whole healthcare environment for the people which you serve. There are financial benefits and incentives all around. Through My Life Doctors, we also promote philanthropy and social welfare, and we do this by supporting our physicians who help the poor and the needy. Through various ways, we are collaborating with organizations taking care of people who need the care the most. So, as you see, my friends, we take you to the next level through our mobile applications on the iPhone and for Android, as well as on the web at www.mylifedoctors.com. So earn more, care more, and live more. Download and get yourself registered and talk to us on how we can help you in your particular situation. Check for the contact information and links to our products in the description. Anyways, change is the only constant of life. Are you ready to be part of a new healthcare revolution? Opportunity is surely at our doorstep. So do connect with us and realize your full income potential. We have solutions for you, whether you are at the beginning stages of your career or already established or cannot work anymore for any reason. You can find financial security here. Join My Life Doctors. Do check out the description for the contact details. Thank you so much, my friends.